Imagine yung itsura ni Lord. Walang hanggan. Sa beses niya na kailangan ko. Dahil ang minsan, yung minsan na yun, ay magpakailan. That's for forever. That's every season of your life. That is out of season. That is in season. That is whatever journey you are going through. That's probably why Jesus came to us as a baby. So that He could understand, so that He could relate to every phase of the life that we have.
Ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako. Asahan na di maglalaho. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kayanin yung dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kita iibigin. Minsan lang kita mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan. Dahil ang minsan ay mapagkailanman. Minsan lang kita iibigin. Minsan lang kita mahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan. Dahil ang minsan ay mapagkailanman.
You know, I want us to say in that perspective, the Lord, yung pag-ibig din natin, Lord, wala. In other words, what we're doing is we're making a confession. We're making a commitment. No, na Lord, ganun din. Okay, walang question yung pag-ibig ng Lord, walang hangganan. Pero yung pag-ibig mo, meron. But right now, when we're singing this song, I want to make it as a pledge, Lord. I want to make this as a commitment. Lord, Lord, ganun din kami. Yung pag-ibig namin sa iyo, Lord, walang hangganan kasi grace mo, walang hangganan. Amen ba? Amen?